Right, I have some good news for Apple MacBook A1708 owners. The Just an upload I did about several hours ago in relation to the LCD Flex, which is a common manufacturing defect. Luckily for this customer, that the Apple has actually honored a repair on the eligibility program, so they say basically, and the device has been booked in for Friday. They did sort of caution that this hasn't, nothing else had led to the problem. Well, let me sort of emphasize this, that there's nothing else can actually cause that problem. It's a flex basically that's damaged, resulting into the issue that what we're having with the lid being fully open, that the backlight disappears. It's a flex basically. There's no way of damaging this flex unless somebody opens and start changing the LCD and pulling on the LCD without disconnecting these ribbons basically, and that hasn't been done on this. So I'm hopeful that they won't be coming up with silly excuses to fob her off. This is quite clearly a manufacturing defect, and as I repeat that, she's lucky enough to sort of get this done hopefully free of charge, and they don't come up with any silly excuses. So I thought I'll just update you on that basically. Anybody that's got an A1708 with an issue with the look, it's gone off. Yeah, let's turn it off. Pull it back up. No display. Let's see what happens again. I'll go easy. There we go. All right. Display's on. So quite clearly it's a manufacturing defect, and I'm prepared to back her up all the way basically. If she needs an independent engineer's report, I will give them an engineer's report on that. There's enough information out there that it's a manufacturing defect. So you guys out there owning an A1708, you're entitled to a free replacement basically. And even under the consumer's law, you need to sort of go around. Don't pay £500-600 to do this. If you can get it done for free, get it done for free basically, and stand on your grounds. Don't let them fob you off. Do a bit of groundwork as to what the fault is, and the exact fault is that the copper traces in the flex have got microscopic crack. So as you're pushing the lid back, it's opening up these contact points, those cracks within the flex, and that's why the backlight is sort of disappearing basically. Oops, I nearly knocked the camera off. It's not a connector problem. It's not the issue in the connection. It's the actual flex. There's a crack within the copper traces within the flex itself. Whatever the traces is, whether it's made out of copper, silicon, whatever it is, very unlikely silicon is a copper trace. That's what's broken basically. So there you have it. Good news for the customer. I'm absolutely delighted that she rang me back and advised me that this is what's gone on, and I did tell her what needs to be told to the Apple, and she did exactly what I said, and well, hip hip hooray, we've achieved something at least basically. So yeah, brilliant. Take care guys, have a good weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.